Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Zahid Farooq and today we will learn how to create a new Word document. There are different methods of doing this. First of all, we will click on Start menu and you will find somewhere Microsoft Word program. You can scroll down to the list if it is not available at the top. In my computer it is available here, so I will click here on this icon of Microsoft Word. By clicking this, Microsoft Word program will launch and you will see this window that's showing a lot of templates. You will select a template according to your needs. If you want to create a blank document, you will simply double click on blank document and your new document will be created. This document by default will have a name document1 and this is the working area, and you can see that this is the menu bar in which lot of menu options are available: home, insert, design, etc. And this is the title bar, this is the quick ribbon, rulers, working window, and status bar. This is the status bar, this is the zoom, scroll bar. You can zoom according to your needs, zoom in, zoom out, and these are the modes: read mode, print layout mode, web mode. And you can see that there are a lot of options in Word program. Okay, we have seen that how we will launch a program and create a blank document. After creating a blank document, you will work in this area and type whatsoever you want to type, and you will perform a lot of operation on this. And after you have created a document, you will probably going to save this document. So to create a document and save this, you will click on save option in the quick ribbon, or you can go to file and click on save option. You will browse the location where you want to save this document. Like I have selected the computer, desktop, and a dialog box will open. In this I will type a name for this document. First document. Okay, I have given a name first to it and click on save. Okay, then I will close this window, program window, and you will see that I have created a document with the name first. So very easily we open the Microsoft Word program, and from that program we have selected a blank document, worked on the blank document, and saved that blank document. So this was the first method to create a Word document. Now I am going to delete this document. Now second option is that right click on the desktop and in the new option go to Microsoft Word document and click give a name and press enter or double click on that document. Your document will open. Now the main window of Microsoft Word has opened. You will work in this document as your requirements and then save this document. Okay, when you have created this document through this method, then clicking on save will not go through the dialog box and etc., because you have already named this document and provided the location by default. Okay, this was the second method of creating a document. Okay, now you can also create a Word document by placing the shortcut of Microsoft Word on desktop or in the taskbar. This area is called desktop, and this bar where you can see my mouse cursor is called the taskbar. So for doing this, go to the start menu and go to your icon of the program Microsoft Word. Right click on this program and find the more option. Okay, here you can see pin to taskbar option is available. Click on this and now you will see that, close the start menu, you can see that Microsoft Word program icon is available on the taskbar. You can click on this program icon and Microsoft Word will launch, and again you can go through the same procedure and create a blank document. Okay, next method is launching from the desktop. Go to the start menu and go to the program icon and drag this program icon to desktop. This will create a Microsoft Word program shortcut on the desktop. You can double click it and launch the program from desktop. And again, there's the same procedure. You can go through the procedure and create a blank document. So in today's program, we have learned that there are multiple methods from which you can launch the Microsoft Word program, and you can work on it, and you can create a new document and save it. This is the basic and simple procedure of creating a new Word document or launching the Microsoft Word program. Thank you for being with us. Allah Hafiz.